Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Safepal to Cash App in a simple and secure way. So since Safepal is a crypto wallet and Cash App also supports the Bitcoin transactions, the transfer process involves sending your Bitcoin from Safepal to your Cash App BTC wallet. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Safepal wallet, and over here you need to first of all tap on BTC that you see on the home page. Now once you tap over here, it will show you the amount of BTC that you have in your account. So you need to tap on the send option over here on this page, and then it will redirect you on the next page where it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get that address, you will have to first of all launch your Cash App, and then you need to go to the Bitcoin section. Now from there you need to just copy the Bitcoin address and paste it in this address section. Afterwards you need to enter the amount of BTC that you want to send from your Safepal account. Then it will also show you USD, the equivalent amount. After filling this form, you need to press next in the bottom, and on the next page you will have to review your transaction. So you need to make sure that every information that you gave over here is correct. Once everything is done, you need to simply confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed successfully, you are going to get your Bitcoin from Safepal to Cash App. So if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next one.